Hey guys, this is Siri here again. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm meeting with y'all. You guys must have seen her in one of my shorts video. I met her the first time we went to a cafe, and today we're meeting again. We're gonna go to, I think, a museum or an art exhibition show. I'm not really sure, one of those two. And then we're also gonna go cafe hopping and just chill and just have a good day. It's a Sunday. It rained very heavily today, but it stopped now, which really cleared out the weather. Like, the air looks very clear now, because we've been having really bad air days the past couple of days. But anyways, I'm very excited to bring you guys along. This is the fit of the day: shirt, jeans, and I'm gonna carry my tote bag and I'm gonna wear my shoes outside. I'm gonna book my Grab taxi right now. I'm very excited for today. So yeah, let's go. So we made it here. We are at Vinhomes, Royal City. Yeah. This is actually my first time here, but it's not your first time, right?
No, I've been here like 10, 20 years, I don't know.
It's massive. There's like a shopping mall, a cinema, and apartment buildings, and what else is here?
I think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
But yeah, so we're just gonna explore, and I would obviously show you guys around. But yeah, the weather is also clearing too. We're getting blue skies now. It was very rainy earlier today.
Your honey water wine, you make me warm inside. Your morning sunshine when the dreams aren't feeling fine. Your eucalyptus leaf, you make my muscles weak. Your sweet moonshine, and now I finally feel alive. Will you dance with me? Let's forget all about the night. You can follow my lead, we'll be partners in crime.
You're still shaking, I'm barely moving at all. Green lines cut through a black screen, tells you I'm fine.
Hey guys, so we got our drink, and the name of the cafe is called Tranquil, right?
Yeah.
But we didn't sit down because there was no space to sit, so we just got our drinks to go. And we are nearby the train street. If you guys remember, I was here when I first came to Vietnam, but the train street was closed. But it seems like it's open because we drove past and all the coffee shops are open. So we're gonna walk past there and go ask the time for the train schedule to see if maybe we can catch the train going by today. So it's just up there. Yeah, that street behind there, that's the train street. So we're just gonna go see if we can find the schedule and hopefully catch the train. That would be so freaking cool if we could.
Sunflowers in your hair, I thought that they were dead.
Hey guys, so we made it to Train Street. Apparently it's open, however you will only be let in if a coffee shop owner invites you in, kind of. So there are coffee shop owners at the entrance, and if they invite you in, you have to sit at their coffee shop. If not, they'll get angry like ours. He was angry because someone walked off his shop. So yeah, so we're here. The train doesn't arrive until an hour, so we're just gonna chill. It's very beautiful. The street is so pretty.
Yeah,
it's very pretty street. Yeah, very cozy. So yeah, we get an hour until the train arrives. I'm very excited. This is something I've wanted to experience since I came to Vietnam, so I'm very happy that I potentially get to experience that today. I mean, it wasn't even planned. It wasn't part of our plan today.
The best things happen actually.
Unplanned, right? And here we are.
Of your hair, oh, it's nothing new to be close to you. Sunsets and medicine at the cross street by my door.
We saw the train.
That was so freaking cool. Oh my god.
It was literally here.
Like inches away from us. It was so
You
cool.
could touch it.
No, but don't touch it. That was so cool. Oh my god, I'm so happy I finally saw this. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna continue with our day.
Let's go.
Let's go to another cafe.
Feels like I have been gone for so long, for so long, for so long. Moonlight on the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far, feels so far away.
Hey guys, it is now almost 5 o'clock. Oh my god. We just finished having, I hope you can hear me, it's very noisy. We're literally next to the cathedral. All I just see is doing this at the back. We just finished lunch and now we're gonna go to the Imperial Citadel. I've never been before, but she's been, so she's taking me. Is this your guy?
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I just ordered my Grab bike and I'm waiting for the bike to come. I'll see you there. Okay, so yeah, that's the update. So we are at the Citadel, but it looks like there's an event going on here today. We're just walking in. We didn't even have to buy tickets, but usually you would buy tickets.
Yeah.
Right? So I guess we came on a lucky day. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around and see what it's all about.
Oh, I like this song.
It's been so long, you've been so tough. You kept it up, you've kept me up. Been standing tall, keeping strong, and I'm doing well. I'm eating more, and though you might think that you're fine.
Well, what just happened? Do you want to tell them? Wait, I need to focus. Okay, do you want to tell them what just happened?
There was a nice Vietnamese couple who asked us to make a picture of them.
Yeah.
We thought so.
Yeah.
But then it appeared that they
wanted us in their photo.
Yeah.
It was so cute. Vietnamese people are so nice.
And they wanted to connect.
They wanted us to add him on Facebook. People were like, no, no, no. Because what are we gonna say to him on Facebook?
And though you might think that you're fine, you need someone. And though you've been waiting your time, you need someone to
Hey guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Today was so fun, so wholesome. Definitely my best spot was Train Street. I'm so excited I went to train straight. We're gonna say goodbye now. Thank you for hanging out with us today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe and watch my other Vietnam videos if you love to see Vietnam content. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.